Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Here we are going to use an approximation method which helps us to find the approximate value of any equation. So this method uses how much each term of the equation contributes to the constant in a given equation. For example, x square plus x equal to 6. From initial guess we can find x equal to 2. So 2 square plus 2 equal to 6. So therefore x is equal to 2 is the solution. This method corrects the value to a good precision. Now look, let's take the term 2 square. When we 2 square equal to 4. Let's now divide this 4 value 6 divided by 4 which is equal to 1.5, and let this be j1, and we know that both x value here is equal to 2, so x1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to 2. Now we can say with the second term we divide 6 by 2 which is equal to 3. Let this be j2. Okay. Now in this approximation the formula is x1 by j1 plus x2 by j2 which is equal to approximate. So now we are substituting the value 2 divided by 1.5 plus 2 divided by 3 which is exactly equal to 2. So in this method we can, with each iteration we can find the exact value of the number. So the principle is that each term how much it gives the factor or how much times it contributes to a particular constant is given by this method. Now we can replace x addition with subtraction or multiplication or division. All remains the same. So here we take x log x equal to 10. To find x, just substitute 10 with any guess. So this method is same. Instead of plus, we multiply here, and other fractions are same, x1 by j1 and x2 by j2. So here x1 equal to 10 and x2 equal to 10. So 10 divided by j1 is 10 divided by 10 equal to 1, and j2 is 10 divided by log 10 which is also equal to 10. So when we multiply 10 divided by 1 into 10 divided by 10 equal to, which gives us the value 10. So the exact value of the equation is 10. So now we can do a tricky question. 2 power x equal plus x equal to 5, which can be solved by Newton-Raphson method or W-Lambert function, but we will not use this. We will use our trick. Let us take for a guess x1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to 1. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4 and plus 1 equal to 5, which is just an approximate. Now we take j1 by dividing 5 divided by 2 square which is equal to 1.5, and j2 by 5 divided by 1 which is equal to 5. So the formula is x1 by j1 plus, because plus is between this, so x divided by j2 equal to 2 divided by 1.25 plus 1.5 which is equal to 1.8. Let's substitute and see. 2 power 1.8 plus 1.8 equal to 5.2 which is not equal. So now use the iteration method. We again plug in this number and find the exact value. So 2 power 1.8 plus x2. So when we substitute 2 power 1.8 we get x2 equal to 1.179. So here x1 equal to 1.8 and x2 equal to 1.57, and j1 equal to 5 divided by 2 power 1.8 which is equal to 1.435, and j2 equal to 5 divided by 3.2942. So we use this formula 1.8 by 1.438 and x2 by j2, which gives us the value x equal to 1.714. You can check in your calculator. So 2 power 1.714 plus 1.714 equal to 4.996, which is almost close. Now if we do the iteration again, we get to the more near value. Now x1 equal to 1.714 and x2 equal to 1.7. After substituting, we get x2, substituting 1.714, we get x2 equal to 1.718. So J1 equal to 5 divided by 2 over 1.714 and J2 equal to 5 divided by 1.718. So again we do this method, x1 by J1 plus x plus 2 which gives us 1.7158. So we know that this is the approximate value to find equal to 5. Again if we do the iteration, we get nearer to the closer value. Thank you. It's a useful method and it applies for every equation, and if exponents are used in that situation also, how to use that method, same method can be applied. If multiplication is there in the equation, then we should multiply. If divide, we should divide, but we have to do x1 by j1 and x2 by j2. Thank you.